Welcome back after a long gap. So now we are in chapter 9. So today we'll start with basic verb sein and haben in German. So verb sein represents the same as it for to be statuses in English. So for better understanding, let us first learn it as follows. I is turned as ish. You has different forms. So you informal is do. He is air. She is she. We as where. Year as you plural. She once again as they, and capital SIEC as you informal. So this is the basic structure which we must have to remember to learn German language structure efficiently. So verb sign represents, as I've told, the same as it for to be statuses in English. So let us learn how we convert between English and German. So I am in English, in German it is ich bin. You informal, you are, du bist. He is, er ist, she is, sie ist, it is, es ist. We are, wir sind. You plural, ihr seid. They are, sie sind. You formal, sie capital S, sind. It also represents to describe name. So name in German called Namen. Profession, Berufe. Age, Alter. Emotion, Emotionen. Characteristics, Qualitaten. So some examples like I am Joy. Ich bin Joy. Mona is doctor. Mona ist Ärztin. You are 8 years old. Du bist 8 Jahre alt. We are happy. Wir sind glücklich. He is big. Er ist groß. So with that, it is very much clear now how we can effectively use this sein form of sein verbs. Then comes have. The verb haben represent the same as it for have statuses in English. Like I have, ich habe. You have, du hast. Then he, she or it has. So er, sie, es hat. We have, wir haben. You plural have, ihr habt. And sie, they slash capital SIC, you formal. So sie haben. So that is also one of the important format which we need to remember. So this verb represents the same as it for verb status English. So it's generally used for accusative cases. So like I have a house in English. So German, ich habe ein Haus. You have 2 cars. Du hast 2 Autos. Melina has children. Melina had Kinder. We have 2 cats. Wir haben 2 Katzen. You plural, when we are saying in a plural flower. Ihr habt ein Blume. They, sie with they have lot of money. Let me correct it. It is not put correctly. They have lot of money. Sie haben viel Geld. So general rule for verb ending with en. Since we have done with haben, So if we follow the same format for the verbs ending with en, so then we can found like komen means come, heißen like the way you are to be called, wohnen live. So ich komme, ich heiße, ich wohne. Then du kommst, du heißt, du wohnst. Then sie, es kommt, sie, es heißt, sie, es wohnt. Wir kommen, wir heißen, wir wohnen, ihr kommt, ihr heißt, ihr wohnt. Sie kommen, sie heißen, sie wohnen. So with haben into memory, if we learn haben very clearly, then we can apply the same rule with all the verbs which are ending with ends. So as a whole, the learnings from these lessons are like the structure of sign, use of the verb sign, structure of haben, and structure of some normal regular verb. Hope you understand it. So you need to apply this efficiently for the next upcoming lessons.